Okay, so I'm going to make some film strips. I don't have any, so I'm going to use my Zutter. I've cut 6 strips, 3 inches by 12 inches long, and I'm just going to use my Zutter to make them. I'm going to push that there. And I'm going to do the same on this side. I'm going to move it down. Probably should have just done all 6 together. And I'm going to go right the way through to the end because I don't know how long I'm going to need them. And then I'm just going to flip it over. I'm going to do all 6. So this okay, so that side's all done, and then I have some film strips. 1, 2, 3. Oh, this is just one. Oh, that's silly. How did this one get left out? Okay, so I'm going to do this little guy by himself. Kind of likes to work with thicker card, so if you want to do them all together, and then we have some film strips. So I think I've got 4. I thought I had cut 6, but we may need to cut a few more. Right, so there are my film strips. And I've done a video on how to make some Polaroids. Okay, so old-fashioned stuff.